Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the stretched resolution not working Nvidia control on your laptop. Let's make your game and app look correct again step by step. First, right click on the desktop and click Nvidia control panel. If you don't see it, make sure your Nvidia drives are installed or updated. Check the Nvidia control panel. Look at the left hand menu and click display. Then select adjust desktop size and portion. Here you will see scaling option. Make sure performing scaling on is set to GPU. Then under scaling mode, select full screen. This is usually what fixes scratches resolution issue. Check the box that says overriding the scaling mode set by games and program. This ensures Nvidia control that resolution properly. After that, click apply. Now go to change resolution in the display, select and make sure your resolution matches your screen native resolution. If it's correct, your display should now stay correctly in the game or app. If it still doesn't work, update your Nvidia drive using G4 Experience or from Nvidia website. Sometime a drive update is all you need. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.